Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I am unboxing airmax compressor. Let's unbox the thing. This is going to be a long video, please be patient. This is the package. Let's see what we have in the package. This is a power cord. We will plug this into the main thing and power up the device. These are some filters, dry pack for the dry pack thing. And here comes this is the hose pipe which we will connect and fill the rifle. This is a 12 volt DC adapter for the compressor. And these are some O-rings which comes along with the compressor. This is the compressor, guys. This is the airmax compressor. That's it, guys. That is my unboxing video of airmax compressor. Later I will do a video of filling a PCP along with this compressor. Thank you.